welcome to my channel. In case this is your first time seeing my face on YouTube, please make sure to go down there and subscribe to my channel because I post lots of super exciting videos, and I am so excited to announce that I'm actually partnering with FabFitFun on this video. They sent me their summer 2018 box and I'm so excited to unbox it for you guys. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service, which means that you get a subscription box every season. Each box is worth over $200, but they retail for $49.99, and if you use my coupon code VeronicaP10, you get $10 off your first box if you're interested and want to try it out. And FabFitFun is actually launching their campus rep program this year, which means that if you're in college and are on social media a lot, this would be perfect for you. The campus rep program is an opportunity for college students to promote FabFitFun and their boxes in exchange for some awesome goodies and the chance to attend really fun events. So if you think that you are the right person for this, make sure to go check out the link in the description. That'll give you the application for the campus rep program. Future incentives for the program include free FabFitFun gear, workout classes, the chance to have lunch with the marketing team, and attend free events and concerts. So once again, if you're interested in applying for the program, the link to the application is in the description of this video, so make sure to check it out if you're a college student with social media experience. But anyways, let's just get on to what is in my summer 2018 box because I'm so excited to show you guys what is inside. So this box is actually in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society, and that is kind of what the theme is on the outside of the box. But anyways, let's just get on right into it. It is so colorful and cute, and they give you like a magazine on top that kind of just describes what is in your box and tells you a little bit more about the products. So the first page kind of just gives you an overview of everything that could possibly be in your box, along with the price of each item so you can calculate how much your box is worth. But anyways, I'll put this aside and just get started because I'm so excited. I opened this already, but I didn't go through all of the things in my box. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box, so it covers everything from health to beauty and even jewelry. So the first thing I see here in my box is actually this Foreo Luna Fofo. It says here that it's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. And so it looks like it is a facial cleansing brush that kind of tracks your skin, which I think is so cool. So I'm so excited to try this out. And this retails for $89. The next things I see in my box are actually this Tardis Pro To Go palette and this Sex Kitten eyeliner. So the Tarte palette has 4 long-lasting eyeshadows and then 2 shimmery eyeshadows, and the Sex Kitten eyeliner is actually waterproof, which is perfect for summer. But I'm loving the shades in this palette. Like, it's getting some really good color payoff, which I'm excited about. They also blend together really well, which is a plus. And these two products retail for $43. Next, there's this marble jewelry dish from Pure One Imports, which is so cute, and I'm excited to actually put this in my dorm room next year. I think it'll look really cute, and I can finally like display my jewelry on something instead of just hiding it away in a little box. So this is super trendy and cute and retails for $15. And they also threw this straw in the box, which goes along for raising awareness for the Wildlife Conservation Society, and it says here that this straw saves marine life, and to visit giveasip.us to learn more. It's actually a paper straw, so it's better for the environment. And if you guys want to learn more about this, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Next, there is this Kula Sport Classic Sunscreen in SPF 50, and it says here that it's non-GMO, it's vegan, gluten-free, and made of recycled materials. It's also TSA approved and water resistant, which makes it perfect for summer. Oh my god, and it's scented white tea. And this retails for $32. Next, there is this Papaya Enzyme Peel, which is an Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator. This rinse-off cream is made with exfoliating papaya, nourishing milk protein, and moisturizing vitamin E that work together to leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. And this retails for $45, and I'm actually excited to see if this makes a difference in my skincare routine. Next, I got this ring by Earth Jewelry, and it is pretty much just a gold ring with 2 pearls on the end. Pearl definitely makes me think of summer and warm weather, so this is the perfect jewelry piece for the warmer months, and I'm excited to rock this on Instagram. This retails for $55. And while the other product I got was a cream exfoliator, this one is actually an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. It's by Vasanti, and it's called Brighten Up. It removes dead skin cells and retails for $29. And last but not least, I got a beach towel, of course, because what is more fitting for summer? And so it is by Summer and Rose, and it has like a pineapple and palm leaf print on it. It's oversized, which makes me super excited because that just means I have more space to stretch out and tan on, and it's made of special microfiber material that won't stick to sand, which is a winner in my book. And this towel retails for $55. And just like that, that is everything in my FabFitFun box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're interested in joining the Campus Rep program, make sure to go apply in the link in my description. But if you're not in college, have no fear, you can use my coupon code VeronicaP10 for $10 off your first box. But that is everything for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you are just excited about this partnership as I am, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so you can be notified the next time I post a video. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!